Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. It's 6 a.m. in the morning. It's we're getting snow. It's Saturday morning. Whoop, almost slipped there. There's Keisha. She just got let out of the house. She's jumping around having fun. Anyways, I hope this is working, because phones usually do fix stuff. So last weekend, or actually during the week, I took the Nikon F4 with the ILFORD PAN F PLUS inside, and the 20 to 35 2.8 AFS zoom lens, and did train graffiti photography, and wow, what an awesome setup. You know, that with that camera and lens, you can actually be between tracks. You can be that close to take the photos of this graffiti and stuff. So it was a shocker to me, because it was always a struggle sometimes if you were between tracks. And yeah, I was quite impressed. So I've got the film developed last night before I went to bed, and let's put it through the scanning process, which I use the D810 and a holder and the 105 2.8 macro lens, and then throw it in Lightroom and flip it. So and I shoot them in RAW, so I can do some adjusting. And there it is. Let's see what we got. Like, subscribe, click the bell. See you later. I need to get a coffee. That's where I'm going, across the street to get a coffee. See you guys later.
I didn't come here just so I could watch you make a mess. I didn't come here to ugly cry in my favorite dress. So what were you thinking then when you kissed your lips? Now I'm kinda glad you did, 'cause now you adore me. Adore me. Go ahead now. Adore me. Adore me. Little did I know she wanted you alone. I thought she was over you, but I guess I was wrong. I came to the party, I laughed at the jokes she made. I wish that I hadn't, 'cause now the joke's on me. I didn't come here just so I could watch you make a mess. I didn't come here to ugly cry in my favorite dress. She thought she could tear us apart when she kissed your lips. Oh, what a plot twist. 'Cause now you adore me. Adore me. Go ahead now. Adore me. Adore me. Oh, so cruel. Oh, so cruel. Adore me. Adore me. Go ahead now. Adore me. Adore me. Adore me. Never could have been thinking I would know what the future bring. All the highs and lows. Said I'm gonna win, though the world might spin. Now I'm sitting here like I'm no one. It rains down on me. All the phone calls I'm ignoring. See, I'm a mess, just trying to guess my way through this. Just don't get enough of me. Just don't get enough of me. jealousy didn't bring me luck, just the honesty. Now it's all on me if I'm gonna win. Oh, I'm just gonna get up. It rains down on me, all the phone calls I'm ignoring. See, I'm a mess, just trying to guess my way through this. Just don't get enough of me. Seems so clear, and when the problems we carried weren't even problems at all. Just don't get enough of me. Weren't even problems at all. Just don't get enough of me. Weren't even problems at all. Just don't get enough of me. Just don't get enough of me. Weren't even problems at all. Just don't get enough of me.